Hello guys, and welcome to the third video in the Python for Beginners course. Check the description for the previous tutorials to keep up, and hit the subscribe button to follow along and stay up to date. There is a lot is coming ahead. In this video, we're going to discuss the Python data types, variables, and comments. So keep watching. So, why we use comments? We use comments to explain our source code, to explain something like functions, classes, variables, or any functionality in our source code. Okay? And to make it more readable. So how can we create a single line comment? We can create in Python a single line comment by using the hashtag symbol. This is a comment. Okay, let's save our file. Let's name it test.py. Hit save, and here it is. Python will not execute this line. Let's make a test. Print hello. To execute, let's save and hit the Ctrl B. As you can see, it's gonna print hello, and will not print the comment. Okay, we can describe this instruction. This is a print instruction, and that's it. Now, if you want to create a multiple line comment for, say, a text, we use the triple quotes. It's gonna be like this. This is a comment in the form of a text. Sorry for the misspelling. Okay, form of a text. Okay, or it can be done like this also. It's the same thing. Okay, and that's it for the comments. So, what are the variables? The variables are containers for storing data values. I equals to 5. That means that I created a variable named y, like a container, which have inside it a value of 5. Okay. Another thing about variables, in Python, they are created the moment you store data in them. Now, let's pass to naming variables. There's some rules to respect in naming variables. You can use any alphabetic and alphanumeric symbols. There's three, let's say, the three cases is not allowed. First, we can never start a name of a variable with a number. This is wrong. It's gonna be an error. Okay, save, Ctrl B, yes. This is the error. We can never start a name of a variable with a number. Passing to the second case, we can never use some specific characters inside the name of variable. The third case, of course, we cannot use a space. To sum up, a name of variable never starts with a number. We can never use a special character inside it, and we can never use a space. Now, let's move to assign values to multiple variables. In Python, to avoid writing 3 lines for 3 variables, we can write them in a single line. It's gonna be done like this, comma y, comma z equals to, and also same thing for the values, 1 comma 2.5 comma, and each. It's gonna be the same thing. Let's delete this and print this to check. X, copy and paste that. It's gonna be Y, sorry, Y, and save. Control B. No, it's gonna be an error. Where is the error? Z is not defined. Ah, sorry. That, save, Control B, and that's it. We can assign same value to multiple variables. Let's say x equal to t equals to h equals to 1. No, let's skip the same thing here and here. If we print this, can you see all the variables have the same value? Now let's move for the concatenation. What is the concatenation of two variables? If I have this x equals to hello, let's print x plus there. Save, hit Control B. You see what the plus sign did? It's gonna combine the variable, the value of the variable, with this message. It's a simple idea called the concatenation, sorry. Okay, but if I have this 5, copy and paste this, if I say h plus x, delete this, save, Control B. This is an error. Why? Because the type of this variable is an integer and the message is a string. We can't combine a string with an integer directly like this, so we use a built-in function that we will talk about in the next videos. It's called str, that converts the value of this variable to a string. Hit save, hit Control B, and that's it. Moving now to the third part of this video, which is the data types. For the first one, we have text type, which is the string. Okay, we define string like this. Hello Python. For the numeric types, we have the int, the float, and the complex. We all know the integers. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For the float, it's 2.5, 2.6, etc. And for the complex type, which is 1G. Okay? In the following videos, I'm gonna talk about this type, specific type. Okay? For the sequence types, we have the list, the tuple, the range. Okay? To define a list, we simply do like this, and we give the items. Let's see, it's item A, it's item B, C, for example. We'll print out this list. Okay? For the tuple, we just change this to parentheses. Okay? And also, we're gonna discuss in detail what's the difference between those types. Okay? For the range, there is a keyword. It's called range. It's 50, for example. If we print out the x, this is the result from 0 to 50. Okay, and there is the mapping type, which is a dictionary. A dictionary, it goes like this. Print out also, and this is the dictionary. For the set type, there is the set and the frozen set. For the set, okay, for the Boolean types, we have the true and the false value. I say x true, also for the false. Okay, if we write like this, then it's an error. Okay, it's predefined with a capital letter. Okay, this is for the Boolean type. For the binary types, when we use the binary types, especially it's used in the matrix calculus. Okay, let's have an example. If I say B, let's say Python, I convert the string to a binary type. Okay, I convert the string to a binary type. For the byte array, and there is the memory view. Okay, it converts the byte array to a memory view. Okay, this is an address in the memory, okay, of the byte array of the value 5. Don't you worry guys, I'm gonna show you in exercises and in examples what's the difference between all of these types. Okay, especially for the sequence type, mapping type, and the set type. If I don't know what is the type of x, I simply call a built-in function or a ready function that's called type. I give it as a parameter the variable. The type of the x is a complex. If I make this, save, Control B, it's an integer. 0.5, save, Control B, it's a float, etc. If I convert it to a string, Control B, it's in a string. Okay, I think that's it for the data types for now. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for now guys, I hope that you like it. A link is provided in the description for the source code of this tutorial. For any question, please leave a comment, I will be happy to reply. Follow me in the next videos by subscribing in my channel, don't forget that, and goodbye for now.